వాళ్ళ
ఇబ్బంది
స్టార్ట్.
ఇబ్బంది లేదా? Dear students, today we will discuss about respiratory system and their parts and their functions. What are the parts involved in our respiratory system? Nose, pharynx, larynx, esophagus, bronchioles, lungs. Nose, it contains nostrils, external nostrils, internal nostrils
నాసం క్యావిటీ.
and nasal cavity. Nose is separated into two with help of septum, and we have two nasal cavities. From these external nostrils, air will enter into the nasal cavity. External nostrils are surrounded with a number of hair that will filter the air, and then air will enter into the nasal cavity. Nasal cavity is lined with mucous membrane. That mucus will stop the entry of dust particles and the microorganisms. And what is the another purpose of mucus? It will regulates the temperature of air to the
ఈక్వల్ టు
normal temperature of the body. Then the air is entered into the internal nostrils. That internal nostrils will open into the pharynx. Do you know what is meant by pharynx? Yes, pharynx is the common passage for food and air. Then the air will enter into the larynx. Larynx is the first part of the trachea. It is also called as sound box or voice box. Why means while exhaling the air, vocal cords in the larynx will vibrate and produce sound. That's why we are able to speak, make sounds and sing songs. After that, air will enter into the trachea. This trachea is commonly called as windpipe. It is made up of with cartilaginous muscles that are in C-shaped. They will protect the trachea without collapsing or closing the trachea. This trachea will divides into two bronchi and enters into two lungs. Further, these bronchi will divide into bronchioles. These bronchioles will enter into each and every alveoli. Now today we will discuss about lungs. Lungs are the main respiratory organs in human beings. These lungs are situated in
ఈదర్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ హార్ట్.
chest cavity, either side of the heart. They are spongy in nature. They are lined with two membranes called pleura. Two membranes called pleura. In between two pleural membranes, a fluid is filled which will protect the lungs from mechanical shocks. What is the use of these pleural fluid?
ప్రొటెక్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్
Fluid protects lungs from the mechanical shocks. When we observe the lungs, these lungs are not same in size. Right lung is larger than left lung. When we observe, right lung has 3 lobes, whereas left lung has 2 lobes. How many lobes are there in right lung? 3 lobes, whereas in left lung we can observe only 2 lobes. This is left lung. Observe 2 lobes are present. This is right lung. There are 3 lobes. If you observe, there are small tiny sac-like structures in the lung. What are they? They are called as alveoli. Alveoli are known as the structural and functional units of lungs. Can you say the reason why alveoli is called as structural and functional units? Lungs are made up of with
alveoli.
alveoli. Very good. Lungs are made up of with alveoli. So it is called as structural unit. The purpose, that is gaseous exchange, takes place in the alveoli. So it is called as functional unit. Gaseous exchange takes place in alveoli. So it is called as functional unit. These alveoli are tiny sac-like structures which are surrounded with single epithelial layer and supplied with rich blood vessels to perform the diffusion, that is exchange of gases. Are you clear? Yes. Next we will discuss about the mechanism of breathing.